so na papa o fa to yo ten me giri se o ye kasa enfoni afidie we eye Adom TV na dwumadi a wani gu so aba behwe ye Nkuranhyemre me am te dwom a me di dwumadi ho chia me tumi fra me ni tekotego won fom ye wodi mabodini so ka ho amaje so na me ma akwa aba emra sa mre aye Nkuranhyensem yimre so ya na me si so sa akwada no ipa bebre tintim krata bebre how to do this, how to succeed, how to marry, how to fall in love, how to make your life better. Ya church and krata just say kon abeti mafa so no brabo adimu e ba no ensentra adwuma kra na enkrata wa ya tintim a yesua e de adwuma ya yo no eno ntino you are the one that controls what happens in your life. Wo hwe me ne day bibia be ko so abarabo mu papa mu oboni mu wona ehya won nsem se manabam. Me say you are the only one that controls what happens to you. Therefore, I'm a firm believer that everyone needs a life manual. So the school ko sua ade anatomy and physiology. E che say nipa ugina bia ne say dia wo honam ti adwuma fa esua pathology yade nchirase esua wan journalism. So the tintim krata ma nya bi kan no sa na wo so tintim krata na wo kan bia ebebo abrabo. When I talk about a life manual, I'm looking at a set of personal principles that will guide your life. Meaning say wo bi wo ha and I said the catch we go team na menye we wo fa enye we ye beba enso to say sa na ma na de go wadwen proso na won kai se obi adwen no de tete wo na won kai se obi asuahunu no de tete wo na wo so no suahunu be na de tete ho. There have been various generations or groups or families with their own trademarks, ideas, rules and values, and you need to find out what is your own generational value. Yewo empo awon to atwaso any one bobia on a chance there when isu emra wo di so ene wo team po de bobra ya enunti wo so beto ye we fan so na kansoa o maame waja ni a ohihye ma wo no eyo mo generation dia eyo woni awo awon to atwaso de on ama wo aso emna du asese wo so tintim krata afra no me generation me so me die ni ami hunu ye ne se ansa na obeto TV fridge radio ana afidie bia eye adafo video foforo bi se laptop oto wi a ye wo krata bi hyemu a sa krata no ya tintim ne ma bi wo mu eye woni a eye sa afidie no osinkonwa adwene ni ase wo ye. You see, a manual was first made to inform the product. Therefore, before a fridge was made, there was a manual that informed, say, ye fidie bi ye do be sha de we sha na adwo na de na hyemu ansai obi so transfer sem menye wenye na me fa wenka na ye TV. And therefore ade bi a ye yo no ye won krata ye tintim ye kire kwa abafa so aye adwuma. Any electric product is made after a brainstorming of the kind of problem that product will solve and how that product will function. Say ya de bia ye nim dia eda wa ye pese e be anu aduro eyi free ho mobile phone ba ye obi dwene ye. There is a meeting where some brainstorming on that goes on. One, about the kind of problem the product will come to solve, about how the product must function, and about how the product must look even like. And everything is done to make the product fulfill such a purpose. Ansana the basin konya afatimopo say ye beye bi say bi a fridge say kai say radio say TV ye sin konya adwendwen kwa bafa so ayade no na say the na bobia tie say how it will look like, say the be adwuma fa ne functions na empo the entire your the purpose enti adwen sa ne ma mensan ho a ade ne bobia enema de be hyemu e be adwuma say yo ene ne say ebeyo yes nkonya adwen saa de na saa na ye friend operational manual eno nti woto afidie bia se me fa no se car se phone se TV se radio ye wo manual wo mu a enye adeketoa. A manual is not just an instruction book, but it is a construction of the knowledge that can be adapted and used to inform how the product will be used for proper functioning. You can operational manual a krata ya tintimu a bechira kwa abefa so na wakura fide na wakoto no na ya adwuma sadia ye kan se be ne pepepepe enunti se wakoto TV a ya kire se TV a wo hwe wo de be hye socket mu na wa pre baby na wa miamia fide ani na wa so Adom TV na ba na wo yenso a ampa eba mu na wo misa se de na ba ya sakrata no e che o sa ade na ma ne ba mu sa na oni pa so wote emre dua se wo so utintim krata bi na wo twere sentia wo ba wiase nia wo de wo hwede ebeyo ade a be frɛ ho sɛ wo ye na wo de usuban abubra na edimu. Your life handbook or manual is meant to be a book or mental picture of how you want to live your life and how you want to behave towards others and how you want to make the best use of your life to meet the purpose of your creation. And also another day, Nyamedija want to say, what may you ask a keke? Wo yo nipa, and found baby out in the day, or sumbo, and made I say also to me, besides a crata bay, and a mesha so at the mubra. Now my men and another miano, and I'm yours with it at intim cart heavy. Namida Ashen so dear at the mubra. Yes, we all need a manual. We all need a manual, and therefore, now you know, I'm no your life manual and what's some crata betimatin team now has a bubra, no baba ye. So what is American? So Kotoka TV, crata boom, and a hair de proco, so has an ejuma. Son as I was shooting team be now a bit to be a cacao, baby a woko, not to be who didn't tell baby. I say. About my warrior no sick as some crassa, about my poem with no additional crassa. About my sum swassa, the piano, the so young crata what in team. Na order for me come and nim bebre me me say okugu nyuma so akoy bibi ti ma menya ha na menkyerɛ sɛ emre dua sɛ ye nyina tintim krata bi kwan bi so betimi twatwa mfoni wa adwen pro so na ayenka dum ama ya brabo aye boy ti sa ya babo be kwa ye kwa ha na ye ba mfram abo ha na ye kɔ yo ena senkan sɛ wonya mre hwɛ me edin yam yeso eye apostle Dr. Anita Kotego. So try to tiawa e ni te kote gwa majo so Adom TV now ohwe ye na mpanimfo ebo Adom ejabo ebe kampedu Thomas and one year production team Osmosis and a sound mami and one year a camera and ade nyina onyame enhira mu nyinara na wo a wonya mrehwe media woni onyame entina